Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how quickly we can open MS Office tools in Windows. Suppose if you want to open MS Word, we have to go to Start, then we need to select MS Office. Here, we need to select appropriate options like Excel or MS Word or PowerPoint. Suppose if you want to open MS Word, you need to double click here. So instead of going to do this one, I'm going to show you with the shortcuts. Suppose if you want to open MS Word, what you need to do? Run, then we need to type WinWord. Just go to run, type here WinWord. Just enter here. See, the MS Word is open. Okay, I'm going to minimize this. The same way, if you want to open PowerPoint, go to run and type Power PNT. Power PNT. So this is a shortcut to open PowerPoint. Then the same way, if you want to open Excel, go to run and type Excel. Just type Excel in a run command. See, the Excel is open. The same way, if you want to open MS Access, go to run and type MS Access. MS Access. So there is no space here. So this is how we can open MS Access. So the very important thing, so in day-to-day life, we are going to use Paint. We have to go to run and type MS Paint. Window R to open run command. MS Paint. So this is how we can open MS Paint. So this run also, so we can open by using search here. So just you can go to search and type run. Otherwise, what we can do, we have to go to Windows plus R option here. So what is Windows? So Windows button, I will show you here. I'm going to open on-screen keyboard so that you can easily understand. So this is the window button. Okay, this is a window button. Window R. See, here you can see run command. Okay, so there is one dialog box, it appears. So if you want to, okay, I'm going to close now. Again, I will show you. So if you want to open run, just you need to press Windows from a keyboard, Windows plus R. So this is how we can open run. If you want to open on-screen keyboard, just you need to type OSK. Run plus OSK. So this is how we can open on-screen keyboard. Hope this will help you in day-to-day work. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.